let's put together a quiche crust. This goes together quick and then chills for 30 minutes or more until you're ready to make it. Start with a half cup of flour. So what is quiche? It's nothing more than a buttery crust, some fillings, and then a custard top. 1/8 teaspoon of sugar. The most famous quiche out there is quiche Lorraine from the Lorraine region of France, not someone's grandma. 1/8 teaspoon salt, which is that buttery crust, bacon, and then the custard top. Over here, we're gonna go ahead and mix milk and lemon juice to get a slight buttermilk. Quiche Lorraine didn't become popular worldwide until the 20th century, at which point people started adding cheese and ham to it, but in its original form, it is just bacon and then that custard top. There's our tablespoon of milk, and now we're gonna add 1/8 teaspoon of lemon juice or distilled vinegar to this and get that stirred up. Let that sit for a minute. To our flour mix, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cold butter, and we're just going to cut that in by hand until this looks like crumbles. One of the things I love about quiche is it can be served hot, warm, or cold. So it can really be what you want it to be. Whatever fillings you want. It can be done any time of day, for any meal. The nice thing about quiche is you can pair it with anything you want. A nice green salad or a fruit salad, roasted vegetables like carrots, cauliflower, potatoes, broccoli. Serve it along a cheese and cracker tray. Maybe serve it with hummus and crackers. Potato salad, mashed potatoes. You know, if you're doing it for breakfast, serve it along breakfast potatoes or sausage. See this nice crumbly texture? That's what we're going for. Now we add our buttermilk and get that all mixed up into a little dough ball. The reason we let this chill is so that that butter can reharden, so that when we go to bake it, it melts and it makes that beautiful crispy pastry crust like on a good pie. And the nice thing is you can go ahead and do this and make it up a day or two before if need be. Then all you have to do is grab it out of the fridge and then roll it out and make your quiche. Then just wrap it up. Pop in the fridge, so ready to use. For ideas on what to do with this quiche crust, check out this playlist.